Got my drawers all organized again, baby. Got my bench dogs. It's a nice little rack. Got all my critical tools. And this actually slides back like that. Got my squares back there, all nice and organized. I use every single one of those. Still gotta do this one. This one's a mess compared to the other ones. So this weekend I'm building a door. It's kind of a retro type of a door. That's it right there. That's what I gotta build. So it's easy to do. Gluing all of them boards together and getting them flat and nice is not easy to do though. What you really gotta do is, you can't see it, but on some end grains, you'll see, yeah, you can't see it too dark. But on some end grains, actually most of them, the grains go, you know, like they cup like that. So you want to take any one that looks like that, face it down, and then the next one over, you want it to face up like that. Sorry, my drawing is not that great. And you want to go across the whole thing doing that, and the next one's going to be, of course, you know, like that. And if you do all of those the same way, you build a tabletop, after a couple of years, the whole tabletop's going to look like this. It's going to, you know, not that dramatic, but that's what it'll do. If you alternate them like that, you got this pressure pushing up, then you have this pressure pushing down, so it keeps it straight. That's important to do. You don't do that, you'll screw your tabletop up. So, just a little bit of Jimmy Splinter's advice. I made that little hammer, man. Isn't that badass? I made that on my sander by hand. Just real quick. It took me like, I bet you under 5 minutes to make that whole thing. A little saw blade. Make everything, baby, everything. Right, guys? That's her little pink blanket. Look, she won't even lay on the towel. You know, I had that from the day we brought her home in that blanket. It's like a little security. Right, Bobs? You're such a good girl. Dang, you too. You don't like the pink blanket, though. Only she does. Alright, those are my shop doggies. I'm sure you guys got shop doggies too. Review on this thing that I made. Badass. And then it looks cool. These are from for a garage door. And obviously it doesn't have to be so heavy duty. It just, I don't know, look cool. And hey. This way you can get it out of the way if you gotta do a 45. And you just open them up. Get them out of the way. This one's kind of sticking over here for some reason. Oh, I see it sitting down here. Okay. But you can open them all the way up. Do your 45 so nothing hits in the way. You really can't close them. This side I think you can close it a little. Nah, not really. Not a 45 you really can't. I'll tell you what though, that sucks so hard that it's gonna suck it in anyway. So it closes in there nice. And that side closes in nice. That's it, man. Biggest offender of dust in your shop. And that takes care of it. Alright. Beautiful. Actually, the top I could have closed that in, but I'm not going to get that crazy. Take it easy. Alright, guys. Have a good one. Just hanging out in Jimmy Splinter's shop, waiting for Drew to get back with some more of those. And throw a little THC in there with it. Well, why the hell not? Hey, how do you think I'm able to build all this shit? Can't do it straight. Alright guys, have a good weekend. Jimmy Splinter's out.